Hello friends, welcome to Insights IAS. Myself Nikhil K Gowda, the Political Science and IR faculty. We at Insights, we are happy to announce that we'll be launching PSIR MARGADARSHAN, that is the crash course for the upcoming mains 2025. The course will be starting on June 9th and it will be a 25 days course. And friends, what are the key aspects of this course? In this course, we'll be largely focusing on one is the revising the entire subject in the span of 25 days. Second one, we'll be also focusing on solving a lot of PYQs. Solving PYQs becomes important for us to understand the nature of the questions and how to tackle different questions and getting our templates ready. Third aspect, we'll be also providing value addition, material as well as certain key points, especially in the international relations, which has seen over the last 1 year a lot of developments such as India-Pakistan, Trump's election to as the president of US. So this will be the core aspect of the course. And secondly, we'll be making you write a lot of answers in the class itself as part of the course, because as we know, answer writing is a very key aspect to score well in optional subject. And friends, we have seen that in the last 3 years, the PSIR at Insights IAS has produced a lot of ranks. We have more than 30 people who have got ranked through the PSIR test series as well as the crash course. And with this program, we intend to continue the trend, and I hope that we'll work together to produce more ranks in 2025. So I hope to see you all, and I wish you the very best for upcoming prelims. Focus on the last few days completely on prelims, and we'll meet again soon after prelims. Till then, take care. Thank you.